everyone, welcome back. This is the part 2 of message viewing model, and from this part I'm going to discuss about programming part, how to get these values. So let's go to the programming part. Here's my manage user page, and firstly I have start this query to take the user's value, and as I mentioned before, I talked about this in previous video, and from this part I will take the select distinct content date time status from the chat where the 2 is equal to the $session UID's email, and then I will take the email of $selected data, and from here I will take the num rows and assign that num rows to this $message num, and by using this for loop I will check whether the $y is less than $message num. If so, then I will fetch that line and take the value of $message data. By using that $message data, I will get the content of the message, and I will take the date time also through this $message data. In here again, I use the same search query by taking the values from chat table where the from is equal to the email of $session UID and the selected data is equal to email. And I will take those values also as num rows and assign that amount to $message num2. And by using this for loop, I will check whether the $v is less than the $message num2. If so, then I will fetch that line and assign that value to this $message data too. I will take the response text through this content of the $message data too, and the date also. And to this footer part, I have start this function view admin message through this on quick event for the send button, and in the header part also I have start send admin message to the email which I selected from the $selected data. Here I have start the view admin message. Now let's see in JavaScript. Here's the send admin message. Here I will take the value of message text ID and assign that value to the variable text, and using this form, new form data, I will append those data to the form and give new values ID for T and R and send those data to this send admin message process through post method. Here's the send admin message process. In there, firstly I have start a session, then connect our page to the database using connection.php page, and then I will take the value of these two data ID and assign that data to this $message text and receiver. And from this part I will take the value of date, and here's the send variable. For that I have used if condition to check whether the $session IDU has value or not. It means it is null or not. If it is not null, then I will take the value of email ID and assign that value to this $sender. If this doesn't have any value, then I will take the value of $AU ID and assign that value to this $sender. And using this if condition, I will check whether the $receiver is empty. If so, then I will start this insert query and insert data as new data to this chat table through this message text, date, and other variables, and echo success 1. But if the receiver is not empty, then I will take the values and same way, but using this admin email, and I will display this success too. Now let's go to the JavaScript part again. And here here's the admin function, which I start by taking the value through email ID, and I will take the value of message text ID, and I will assign that value to variable text. And again, using this new form data, I will append the value by taking the ID of PR and send those values to the Weave admin message process through post data. Now let's see it in Weave admin message process. Here's that part. Firstly, I have start a session and connect our page to database. And again, using these IDs, I will take the value and assign those values to these $admin message, $receiver, $sender. And through this part, I will take the date, and by using this insert query, I will add new data to chat table where the content, date, time, status from true by taking the values through this variable, and then I will echo this success. The script part, after echoing success, using this already state change, I will take the value of anonymous function which I started, and using this if condition, I will check whether the ready state of variable r is equal to 4. If so, then I will take the response text and assign that value to variable t. Then by using this part, I will check whether the variable t is equal to success. If so, then I will reload the page. Otherwise, I will display the text alert t. That's the way how I created and programmed the Weave message model. And see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching.